Google Pay is a convenient and secure mobile payment app that allows you to make purchases, send money to friends, and manage your finances. Here's how to use Google Pay. Setup. Open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account. You will need to link a bank account or add a payment method like a credit or debit card. Add payment methods. To make payments or send money, add your payment methods to Google Pay. You can take a photo of your card or enter the details manually. Verify and secure. Google Pay often requires verification for security purposes. This can be done via SMS, email, or a call to your bank. Make payments. You can use Google Pay for various purposes. In-store purchases. Look for the NFC payment symbol at checkout. Hold your phone near the payment terminal and the transaction will be processed. Online shopping. When making online purchases, select Google Pay as your payment method and confirm the payment with your PIN or biometric authentication. Peer-to-peer payments. Send money to friends and family by selecting their contact from your phone's address book or entering their email address or phone number. Manage finances. Google Pay also allows you to keep track of your spending and view transaction history, helping you budget more effectively. Rewards and offers. Check the app for any rewards or cashback offers available at participating merchants. Security. Google Pay uses several layers of security, including encryption and device-specific virtual account numbers, to protect your financial information. Notifications. You will receive notifications for each transaction, which adds an extra layer of security and helps you keep tabs on your spending.